Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will tell you how to make a kaleidoscope. So now I'll show you how it looks when it's made, the view from it. So this is the view which I'm showing inside you. Now if you shake it, the view will change. Like this, the view changes. So and have you subscribed all my channels? Because if you have not, then do them, because I put very interesting videos in them. So now let's start. I can't tell you but because I have already made it, but I'll tell you how I made it. What you need to do is take 3 mirrors, join them like in this. If you see carefully, this is a triangle shape like this. You have to join it with tape. After that, when you have joined, take some cardboard or newspaper, something, paper, and then you can roll it. Then in front of that, you have to put a plastic circle, hard one. Then in front, then you have to make another boundary out of it. Then put some beads in it. Then take another circle and lock it. And then put some tape and lock it nicely. Then you can paste some. Then when you see through this, it will look like this from the other side. And if you see from inside, actually in my I put it some glow in the dark paint. So do you want to see in the dark? Let's see. So lights off please. Okay, so the light is off. Let's see. Can you see glow in the dark? Okay, so can you see? I'll also send you the photo in my Telegram group. You can watch from there also. And you can make it and send your images on it. Whatever thing you made, make and send to video. You can put that images like that. And here's the kaleidoscope which we made. Okay, so can you see? Actually, it's very difficult to show you, but I am trying to show you. So can you see the pattern? Now I'm shaking. I'll put it again. Okay. So the pattern is coming. So make this kaleidoscope, right kaleidoscope, and view all of my channels and view me on my latest updates. Means my Telegram group and website.